Today's video brought to you by Innovative Touch. Tools for the day. Look at this. This right here. This right here. Some stuff I purchased from Home Depot. We had a customer from Rosie Joe's Cajun Creole Seafood Restaurant here located in Alexandria, Louisiana. Make sure y'all go check them out. She complained about the table shaking whenever. So what we're gonna do today is, we're gonna be using JB Weld quick setting steel reinforcement epoxy that sets in 6 minutes that I purchased from Home Depot to be covering this right here and this right here. So I'm gonna take this drill and I'm gonna sand around the areas. So I'm gonna take this tack cloth and get all the excess dust from around it. Stop.
Stir it like coffee. Stir it like motherfucking coffee.
Stop it. Now that we got one even coat on there, evenly covered on there, we're gonna let that sit for a little bit, then we're gonna come back with a second coat. We'll let it sit up for a complete day. Sit it like, yep.
Be sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube page for more videos and do-it-yourself video projects.